Shalom, brothers and sisters. So, this is just funny. Again, mankind. Scientists, the same scientists that can't tell what's a man or a woman anymore, but I'm just putting that there. Scientists have discovered an ancient tree revealing apocalyptic warning for humanity in this hour. Evidence of the most powerful solar storm in history have been uncovered within the rings of a tree. This immensely powerful solar storm is thought to have been at least 10 times as powerful as the Carrington event of 1859. That caused chaos in the telegraph system. New research has now found that a radiocarbon spike within the tree rings in the French Alps reveals the full extent of the sun's power and the potential danger it poses to us if a storm of this scale had to occur today. Now, they just don't know how big the ones coming are going to get. Generally, the sun helps shield us, and the Earth's magnetic field helps shield us from the constant bombardment of galactic cosmic rays. So normally, when the sun is more active, we get less radiocarbon being produced. However, in 2012, Miyake discovered a sudden and unexpected spike in radiocarbon levels in a Japanese tree from 774 AD. Initially, it was thought to have been caused by a supernova, but after more study, identified as being a huge solar storm on the sun. Such extreme storms would throw out huge volumes of highly energetic particles from the sun. These energetic particles would have entered our atmosphere, leading to a sudden spike in radiocarbon production. The radiocarbon spike in the tree rings found line up with patterns in the beryllium levels in Greenland's ice cores, indicating the spike was caused by the huge solar storm. We checked the 14,300-year-old radiocarbon spike, compared it with the beryllium-10 found in Greenland, and beryllium-10 is another chemical isotope produced in a very similar way to radiocarbon. The fact that the 14,300-year event was supported by both the radiocarbon and the beryllium indicates the massive production spike we found was genuine. It also supported the solar origin of the event, a massive solar storm bigger than previously identified. Solar storms like this one and the Carrington event are caused by solar flares, which are ejections of powerful X-rays from the sun. Now again, can't tell the difference between all the genders, but we happen to know exactly by looking at a tree and some ice cores that this was the sun and not a supernova. Amazing brains, incredible, just wow for science. What I will say, and I always come back to with these stories, A, they have no idea what's lying ahead in this last final week of Daniel. And B, Revelation 16 verse 8. Then the fourth angel poured out his bowl on the sun, and power was given to him to scorch men with fire. What's coming, they cannot begin to wrap their little sciencey brains around. They can only experience it for themselves if they don't have a saving grace relationship with Jesus Christ. And that would not be the best way to figure the science out. I'd rather go directly to the Creator and understand these things properly. God bless. Keep looking up. Shalom.